Hey guys, it's Eric here at LKQ. Check it out, a Mitsubishi Galant. This was Mitsubishi's attempt to capture some of those Camry and Accord boners. It didn't work too well, unfortunately. It's not a bad car. For some reason, Mitsubishi's brand has been shrinking since, I'd say 2000 was probably peak for them. They still make really good stuff. They just don't make a lot of it. They don't have a lot of dealer network anymore, and so little by little, they're falling a victim to the Isuzu issue, which is the less dealers you have, less money you have for input, the less cars you produce that are exciting, and little by little you whittle away to nothing. That being said, this was actually better looking than the Camry of its era. It had a more sporty front. Unfortunately, this one's been, some of the pieces are missing off of it, so it doesn't do it any justice, but I liked it. It was more aggressive. There used to be the TriStar symbol there, and a nice grill there, had fog lights. This was a fairly well-equipped unit here. I love those rims too, are actually really nice. Kind of a bronzy look to them, and they're all there. It even had Michelin sport tires on it, which is a rarity. Inside, a nice tan cloth interior, not leather, which is fine by me. I hate leather seats, and you can see this one's in good shape, not ripped or torn. Manually adjustable. There's your dash. Digital display, so I can't tell you how many miles are on it, but I would guess it's over 100. Hence, it had a nice radio in it at some point, so somebody has removed that, and looks like the climate control system or whatever was above it is also gone. Nice. Power everything, of course, in this era. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors, fog light switch there. Pretty well laid out instrument cluster, if you can see that with the haze. The sun finally came out here. Yeah, nice car. Good back seat. Looks like three could fit back there, no problem. This one doesn't have any real body damage, so it makes me wonder what died. They did have timing belts. Those timing belts were good for 60K. My guess is somebody didn't do one at 60K. So probably 180 would be my guess, is usually when the customers stopped carrying, and that's usually when they blew up. Decent sized trunks. Actually cuts in pretty hard in the corners there. I don't know if you can see that. I can get in here. So decent, not massive, but probably fit a bunch in there. Gas cap on that side there. Overall, a good looking car though. Till next time, my friends, take care.